Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we will talk how to cancel your Fabletics order. Okay, if you have placed your order and you want to cancel your order due to any reason, due to address issue, so how you can cancel? Is this possible to cancel your order or not? Okay, so basically this is the page. When you search this term how to cancel your Fabletics order, you will get the same link, or I will provide you this link in our video description box. You can visit on this page and you can see the note. If your order has already shipped, you unfortunately cannot edit the address on your order, and if it has not shipped yet, you need to contact with the customer support team. Phone number is also available. I blurred the phone number due to YouTube strict policies, so you can call their customer support team and you can get help related to your order cancellation and all. Okay, and their phone number is available 24 hours a day and 7 days a week. Okay, so the phone number or this page link I will provide you in our video description box, or you can find their customer support number on Google also, and they have only one phone number. You can dial their number, and once you get connected, you just need to simply tell them that you wish to cancel your order. Okay, and they will cancel your order. Now if you have any other questions, you can make a comment. I will reply you very soon, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye, take care, see you soon in the next video.